Yo, what's up? This is Gas Mask City, Rod Raven here, and today we're gonna be cracking open a mystery box. Yes. So, a homie of mine has sent this. His name is Artie, and we're gonna get a little bit more into this boxing because I'm gonna make this more of a little habit of doing. Okay. So here we go. Okay. I guess that was okay for right now. Let's get into this mail mystery unboxing. Alright, Rod and Raven back here, Gas Mask City. We are back. Uh, we are back with another package here, everybody. Welcome. My name's Rod and Raven. And here's the package. Okay. A friend of mine named Artie sent this to me, and it always feels dope to always get something in the mail, especially something physical, you know what I mean? So, right. This is just going to be a quick little 5 to 10 minute video, so, you know, nothing too crazy. So we're just gonna be like hanging out, opening up the box, and we're gonna show some love to the homie Artie and his work and his social media pages. So I'm gonna talk more about that in the description. Our link is Instagram and his YouTube. So, alright. A little bit about Artie is that he does a lot of DIY zines. It's called Night of the Bloody Horror Tapes. Okay. Um, he also does horror movie reviews. He's a movie collector. He collects novelties, comic books, you name it. He collects a whole lot of stuff, guys. You just gotta go to his YouTube and you'll see the background stuff that he collects. So, shout out. We'll shout that out, the Instagram pages and his links down below in the description. So let's get into the box, guys. I'm excited to see what he has sent. Alright, so let's crack this open. Got the tool right here. Try not to cut into anything as I go along. Am I even recording? Sorry. Cut. Okay. I'm so stoned. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna edit that part out because I think about stuff when I'm stoned like that, you know. Alright, slowly we're cutting this open, guys, as you can see. Little bloopers, right? That's what I get for being stoned, you know what I mean? Before I'm unboxing and trying to be all professional. I am a professional, okay? Just haven't done this in a long time. And Gas Mask City's back. Rod and Raven. Here we go. Oh my god. Got it almost open, guys. Be patient. I haven't been on social media in a long time. I mean, I'm on social media, but making a video. Sheesh. Getting into that is another thing, you know? Okay. Ooh, man. That taped up. Mother. Get that. And I should know how to open stuff up like this. Stage hand work. Come on, man. Don't mind me, folks. Yo. Okay. What kind of tape did Artie use? Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Yo, okay. So, first thing we got, guys. Let's see. It did not open up this other part right here. Hold on. Okay. Hmm. Oh, guys, the first thing I see, and this is awesome. This is a Funko Marvel Pop Spider-Gwen number 146 vinyl bobblehead. Whoa, check that out, guys. Want a closer view of this? Here's the side, back, other side. There's the number right there. Spider-Gwen 146. Cool. That's so sick, dude. I like Spider-Gwen. This is so on brand for Gasmat City. DIY horror vibes. Who knows what's in here, guys? I love it. Okay, next we got VHS. I actually have a VHS, so this is probably why he's gonna send me stuff like this. But okay, here we go. This was the second item, guys. Yes, sir. And it's called The Land of Dr. Marua? Alright, sorry, I can't even say that name, but you know, there it is. Okay. Next, another VHS. You know, back in the day, guys, these covers right here, I mean, if you're from my generation, Millennial, Gen X, Baby Boomer, y'all know what these cover sleeves are. They're just cover sleeves, but inside, guys, is Blade 2. See that? So back in the day, you know, we had covers just in case, you know, we ever recorded or like made like DIY like VHSs. These are the covers that we would use. Alright. Next thing, guys, is we got some DIY like little VHSs. This is historic, guys. I grew up on this kind of stuff. And then I see on the back, guys, this is Surviving the Game. Surviving the Game. Alright. Next, guys, is looks like a music CD. SMF RROC. Spick, not Manic. Let's see, we'll check this out later. Probably have that music in the background or something, you know? Alright. And I just wanted to show y'all if the most, and I see this at the bottom because I'm so excited. This is what I've been waiting to show you guys is dun dun dun. This is Artie's DIY zine. He's been putting in the work doing this DIY underground, real underground energy, guys. I'm gonna flip through these pages. This one is called Horror Business number 4. Wow, guys, I'm gonna just show you little glimpses of it. But you know, really come out and support this guy if you want. This is what it's all about. I'm not gonna show you everything because you guys gotta go out and support this person yourself. My homie Artie. Okay? This is what he does. And it's homemade, DIY, and I'll show you one more picture, guys. Let's see, it's random. Look at the work that he puts in. See, that's the first page. Okay, guys, that's all I'm gonna show you. But this is the star of the package, and I was hoping to get a DIY zine from him. And you know, if you ever are interested in stuff like this, I'm gonna, again, in the description of this video, I'm gonna include his Instagram and his YouTube channel. Okay, so be patient, guys. This is awesome. Okay. Love that kind of stuff that people do, you know? Alright. He puts in the work and comes out with stuff like that. You guys just gotta support people like that because, you know, this is the kind of stuff that the scene, this type of stuff keeps this scene alive. You know what I mean? Next, guys, another VHS. This one is called Karate Cannibals. Pop, pop. That one is interesting, guys. Here's the back. Okay. And we got a DVD. Hostile Part 3. I've seen 1 and 2. I don't think I've seen 3. But this is the stuff that I'm talking about that Artie collects, or, you know, cool stuff, guys. Movies, you know, one day the internet's gonna go out, streaming services might not be around. You got a DVD player, guess what? Ain't gonna be dying of boredom, you know what I mean? So next up, guys, we have a DVD, Mancini of Terror. And on the back, I see a Stanley Kubrick, which is my favorite, one of my favorite directors. Stanley Kubrick, Full Metal Jacket. Yes. Again, I'm making this video as short as possible, 5 to 10 minutes, you know. Don't want to take up anybody's time. And this is another DVD, Planet Terror. And also over here we got Adam and Eve Against the Cannibals. Very horror movie. Very B film, you know. Love that kind of stuff. Head of the Family. Okay. So big shout out to my homie Artie. And his Instagram is at Tapes of Hate. That's his Instagram. Give him a follow on his page. That's going below in the description again, guys. And let me see it. And also don't forget about his DIY magazine. DM him and he'll give you more information, and he'll send you another copy, perhaps one of the ones that I got. Cause I'm sorry, it's called Knights of the Bloody Tapes. Night of the Bloody Tapes. I'm sorry, guys. More DVR movies. Black Sabbath. Okay. Next. Slayer Live. 1988, August 31st. Wow. I like Slayer here and there. I just don't like this. I'm not gonna keep my opinions to myself. Dave Chappelle, season 2. Whoa. You know, I like comedy, guys, so comedy's good too to watch. Next. Yellow Brick Road. Another horror, seems like it. Yep. Very cool. Dolomite. Flip it around. Let's see what this is. Razorback. Cool, I like that right there. Very creative. Next. National Lampoon's Gold Diggers. Funny. Right there. And back. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Great actor. Trainspotting. Classic in the back. Snatch. Up next we got Joe Dirt, Eat a Dirt. And then on the back, Clone. Very cool. Sci-fi, right? Comedy, sci-fi, so cool. Love all kinds of movies. Just horror too, but everything like sci-fi, horror is awesome. I like that. This one is called The Cat. Ooh, right? Sounds horror. Sounds mystery, right? This one on the back says Decaying Visions #1. 1990, I believe. That's what it says on the bottom. I wasn't even born yet. It's the year off. Next up is the Jim Rose Circus Sideshow. And in the back, We got The Howling, such a classic, The Howling. Creepshow, another classic horror. And this one, I think it says Robot Chicks. Season 101. Interesting. Would check that out. Would love to check that out. And Black Swan. I've never seen this, so have a copy of it. Awesome. Never seen this movie. Heard it was great. Look at that, 4 stars. Awesome. Permanent marker. And the dinosaur. That's gonna go in the collection because I got some little bonitos too, like little. Like, look at that, that's cool. Guess my city, guys. Y'all go check out Artie. Thank you so much, Artie. You sent me to a good place to go hang out and collect. Alright. And the permanent marker. Hey, permanent markers are cool, right? Okay, guys. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm tired. I got a lot of work to do tomorrow. So, I know it's Saturday, but I do some things around, keep myself busy. Okay. That was a good video, guys. I haven't, been on in a while. It's great to be back. Gas Mask City, Rod and Raven here again. I am going to, let's see. We do unboxing here on this channel. We do a lot of DIY art. We make music. We're just, all that grimy horror vibe stuff. We create a lot of stuff, guys. So give us a follow. If you're liking this video, leave a like, comment, share. Alright. So also, guys, if you are also the type that wants to send me your zine or your art or your music and you want me to review it on my channel, Gas Mask City, then go ahead and give me a follow. I'll probably work some P.O. Box out, maybe something in the future. We can put your products up here or promote it, So there's a lot that we can do, So I love the unboxing. I think it's a cool, thing that's going on. And again, I want to give a big shout out to Artie, again, for sending me this mystery box. And this has really made, my day and also my whole week. Because, it's always cool to get something in the mail, physically, So, this is Gas Mask City. And in the description below, I'll link all of Artie's socials. And until next time, guys, peace.